I really do enjoy making custom steel tables. This one is the biggest project I've ever done. It's going to be 8 feet by 8 feet by 38 inches tall. Most steel tables like this are built upside down. The settings on the welding machine is 220 volts. I've got it cranked all the way up so I have the best penetration for all of my welds. All 4 corner posts are 1/4 inch wall. Major overkill, but super heavy duty. The whole thing is going to weigh around 900 pounds. And there's going to be 8 diagonal braces reinforcing everything. Tomorrow I will build a second shelf and install 7.5 inch swivel casters. This thing is going to be so epic. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Perfect.